Mobili. Submit a voting comment. What electric car brand would you buy from today? Imagine for a moment that you have unlimited money, and the only thing you absolutely must do today is buy a new electric car. What car brand would you go for? Would you buy a Tesla now that prices have been slashed to make the Model 3 one of the most affordable and low-maintenance vehicles on the planet? Or would you take an even bigger risk and buy a Fisker, not knowing if the brand will even exist a year from now? Perhaps you'd rather go with a Rivian, something like the Lucid Air, or Ford Mach-E? There are so many choices to pick from, especially now that some of these vehicles are getting more affordable. That has us wondering, what electric car brand would be your go-to today? Regardless of your choice, we want to hear from you, and you can cast your vote in the poll listed below. Don't worry, we won't judge you if you want to buy something from a legacy automaker or would go for a hybrid instead. That's perfectly okay too. Once you cast your vote, don't forget to check out our new, dedicated electric car news page to get in on the latest breaking news and developments in the EV world. And be on the lookout for our article detailing the results of this poll at the end of the month. Despite slower sales and automakers changing their EV plans, electric cars are still the future, so what brand would you choose today? What electric car brand would you buy from today? Tesla, Rivian, Lucid Motors, Neo, Fisker, Polestar, Vinfast.
It sound right, boys.
I'd rather buy an EV from a legacy automaker. I'd rather buy a hybrid or plug-in hybrid.
I hope to inspire you and help you learn more about your favorite theme. Subscribe to my channel and let me know what you think.